Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a real bitch channel. Today I am going to try and recreate the look that Manny Mua did using James Charles Morphe artistry palette. Pretty much I'm obsessed with Manny Mua. It's true. Also, he made a really beautiful look using the pinks and purples of the palette. So we're going to be looking at a little glimpse of Manny's video, kind of what he was doing, and I'm going to try to copy it. I'm going to be using oh my gosh, did I really get this dirty already? Yeah, I'm going to be using my James Charles Morphe palette. So let's just jump in. To get started, I'm actually going to show you guys how I am priming my lids today. I'm about to take my CoverGirl concealer and just dab that on the lids. I know there was a controversy on the internet about what to use to prime your lids before using James's palette. I really don't give a shit. And then I'm just going to take my CoverGirl loose powder and set that prime. If you're wondering where are my eyelashes, I don't have any. See how, whoa! First thing Manny does with this look is actually not the eyes, it's the highlight. So, he takes the really beautiful highlight shade right here, I think it's called Face, and just goes in with that. Alright, next, let's dip in. Oh wow, I don't even have a brush. Okay, let's go ahead and dip into Pinkity Drinkity. Just as Manny said, this is very pale. Manny has the right idea here. He's going ahead and darkening that he's going to darken that up with this hot pink shade called Skip. So the way he does it is he goes on the outer corner, then the inner corner, and then he kind of connects the dots up here. Thank you. Next. What a character. Let's dig into this shade. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm just trying to clean up this inner corner. Okay, I have no MAC paint pot, so I'm taking this flat Wet n Wild brush. I'm putting my CoverGirl Conceal on that. Now for the fun part. What?
And I'm gonna go ahead and actually apply a little bit of a glowy shade on top of it to make it pop up even more. Oh, that helps so much to brighten everything up a little bit. Kind of takes away from the purple a little bit, but
this wasn't my idea, this was Manny's.
Let's get Louis' pot out.
I really feel that I need to pause and clean up my eye look. I'm not as flawless as Manny. He's kind of just blends the colors that we just used in the under eye area. I mostly see like the purple, so I'm kind of gonna dip into the purple. I'll throw a little bit of skip in there. Swag it out. Watch me watch the TV. Alright, I have these really beautiful Ardell lashes that I just got from Sally's Beauty. I kind of wanted to save them for Thanksgiving, but I'm just going to throw them on for this look and then reuse them. Also, I'm going to add some more of the glowy shade to my halo eye because it's not showing up that well. If a girl can apply lashes with her bare hands, she can throw hands. That's what I heard. I'm not even using a mirror. There was this kid at my high school named Amir, and he was a So these are Ardell double up lashes. Okay guys, I'm having a little trouble with this lash, so I don't want to show it. Yeah, so I don't think Manny did liquid liner with this look, which is good because I'm not trying to do that right now. Today I'm just going to use my Absolute New York Velvet Matte Lippy. It's honestly so smooth and effortless to apply. And I'm going to top that off with this Colored Pop gloss in Tight Fit. That completes this look. I can't be as effortless and flawless as Manny himself, but I'm still okay with this look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you next time.